Hey there, and welcome to The Machine and Me. My name is Ricky, and I've just started making my own homemade social artificial intelligence system. It's pretty early in the project, and so far I've coded my computer to listen out for when I say hello to it, and then it will respond with a hi back. Hello.
Hello there. Hey, how are you going? Yo.
Hello.
Hey dude, looking sharp.
Why, thank you. I've been enjoying the variety of responses that the computer can give to me, but right now it can only react when I say exactly the word hello to it. So if I say hello, the computer will respond, hey there, hi, whatever. But if I say hey there, or hi, or any of those words, computer doesn't do a thing. Even if I say hello there, hello computer, anything that is not just strictly hello, all of that is silent. So I need to figure out my next steps in how I get the computer to interpret what I'm saying to it. And right now, my code is very specific and awkward. When the computer hears that I say something, it checks to see if I've said the word hello. And if I have, it says hi, or hey there, or whatever. I could continue this pattern and add in another line that checks if I say the word hi, and if I have, the computer can say hi, or hey there, or whatever. And then another line for if I say hello there, it can say hi, or hey there, or whatever. This style of coding has made it fast and fun for me to get a simple test up and running, but I'm already about to suffer from its limitation. So at the moment, my direct instruction to the computer looks like, if somebody says hello to you, then you say hello back, or hi, or hey there. If I gave those instructions to a person, they might come back and say, all right, is that just for if they specifically say hello, or what if they say hi, or howdy, or g'day? If I continue my current pattern of coding this machine, the instructions would look something like, well, if they say hi to you, then you say hello back, or hi, or hey there. And if they say howdy to you, then you say hello back, or hi, or hey there. Or if they said g'day to you, then you say hello back, or hi, or hey there. Otherwise, you say nothing. Even if you're not into coding, are you starting to notice just how awkward this all sounds? A lot of what I've been saying is full of repeated instructions. You say hello back, or hi, or hey there. Why do we need to repeat this same set of possibilities for every possible word that we could greet the computer with? And what if later on, I also wanted to add ahoy there as a possible thing that the computer could say back to you? I would need to add that ahoy there response into all three of those current input catches. And then that's with only 3 different phrases that the computer understands as a hello, when realistically it should probably listen out for like 20 to 30 different greetings at a bare minimum. I need to evolve my code away from simply listening for something very specific and reacting to each one in an individual, specific way. So all those possible answers that a computer can give back, I'm going to stick them all in just one place, one bit of code, or a function. And I can call it respond to basic greeting. And all the ways that I listen for and catch us saying hello to the computer, they can look up their response from this respond to basic greeting function. That way, if I decide later on that I want the computer to say ahoy there as a possible option, I can add that possibility just once to the respond to basic greeting code, and all of those greeting listening catches can benefit instantly from the expanded bank of responses. So that will help make the response side from the machine a lot cleaner. Now what can I do to help the computer to better understand what I'm saying to it? At the moment, it relies on understanding specifically just the word hello. Not hello there, or oh, hello, or why hello there. None of that. And that's just the word hello. So then you'd have to do the same variety for the word hi. Hi, hi computer, hi there, oh hi. So we need to sort that out. And there are 2 things that we need to work on here. The first is a list of words, phrases, and synonyms that are basically going to mean hello. The second thing is figuring out how we look for these words in a sentence. Let's start with the first task, a list of words that basically mean hello. So I guess first up we have hello, hi, hey there, good day, greetings, howdy. I think I'll run with those for now, but that feels like a much smaller list than I really need. So help me out and write your suggestions for other words that mean hello in the comments on this video. Now I'm going to group all of these words together and tag them under the category greetings. Let's signify that this is a category or a tag by putting the word greeting inside these braces or curly brackets. So if I was to say hello to the machine, it would get translated to this tag of greeting. Similarly, if I said hey there to the machine, it would also get translated to this tag of greeting. This leads us to our second task, how to look for these words in a sentence. If I use these categories or tags, I can do a pretty quick change in my code to now read, if the person speaking says the tag of greeting, then you should respond to basic greeting. We could try that out. Hello.
Hello there.
Hi.
Hey, how are you going?
Hello there. Hello.
Hi.
Hello there. So it works okay with those different words when they're just on their own, but if we say another word or two after that in the same line, we don't get anything. So we could modify our code a bit and make it, if our input begins with a greeting tag, then respond to basic greeting. All right, let's try that. Hello.
Hello.
Hello there yourself.
Hello there.
Well then, hello. Hello one more time.
Hello.
But if I was to say hello. So by only checking the very start of a sentence for a word like hello or hi there, I'm missing out on all the possibilities of ways that a greeting might be mid-sentence, or even probably stumped by just the word or well then. Alright, so one more tweak. Let's switch our understanding to detect if this greeting tag is anywhere inside the sentence. Hello.
Hi.
Hi there yourself.
Hello there.
Well then, hello.
Hello.
Cool, well that works well. Though I just thought of one case. I do not want you to reply to this hello.
Yo.
That's a problem. I think that'll be a future video, how to respond to the word not, because that completely changes the meaning of the sentence. For example, if I was to say, the world will explode if you reply to this hello, so don't do it.
Hello.
Okay, maybe not that dramatic, but understanding language and meaning is hard and complex. For now, I'm going to stick with this idea of categorizing or tagging words and phrases and making the machine aware of where these pop up anywhere in the sentence, though I am going to have to think a little bit more about how I deal with words such as not. Now, tasks like that can be an entire professional career for somebody, or a big project for a team of linguists working on language processing. So me doing this on my own as a hobby, it's going to be a slow process. But it's something that I can work with and tinker with in the background while we explore other really cool, fun ideas in creating this artificially intelligent friend. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon in the next one.